Okay, in this video we'll be dividing some given total amount into a target ratio. So here we're trying to divide $336 into the ratio 2:5. Maybe imagine you're splitting a bill between two differently sized families in a restaurant or something like that. Okay, so here's our picture of 2 bits and 5 bits again. What we're given, this $336 here, is the total amount. So that's if we combine everything together and total it all up, it would amount to $336. Then as before, the main idea is to try and pinpoint the value of one single bit. Now, since there are 2 blue bits and 5 green bits, we would have 7 in total. So the size of each bit would have to be 336 divided by 7. And that amounts to $48 for each bit. Now, as before, the size of each bit is the same across both the blue and green parts, so they're all going to be 48. And so if we now need to split this into the 2:5 ratio, then the blue part would be made of 2 bits, which is 48 times 2, and that gives us $96. And the green part is made of 5 bits, which is 48 times 5, and that gives us $240. So these two numbers, $96 and $240, would be our answer. They add up to the 336 total, you can check that, and they also fit the target ratio of 2:5. Okay, so here's a question from, I think, a past paper. We have a 6-meter piece of timber being cut into the ratio 4:1:5, and we want the length of the 2 shortest pieces. Now, there are 3 parts to this ratio, but the same idea applies, which is that we're cutting our timber into a total of 10 equal bits. That comes from just adding 4 plus 1 plus 5. So let's just start by having 10 equal bits already to begin with, okay, and then we'll split them off later on. We know the whole thing is 6 meters long, so we can put that there. And dividing the whole 6 meters by 10 means that each little bit is going to be 0.6 meters. Now, the ratio we're targeting is 4:1:5, and so we should split off the bits like that. All right, we have 4 blue bits, 1 green bit, 5 pink bits. And we want the 2 shortest pieces, which would clearly be the blue and green pieces. So the blue piece is made of 4 bits, so we have 0.6 times 4, which is 2.4 meters. And the green piece is just the single bit, so that would just be 0.6 meters itself. So these would be our 2 answers then. So that's how we divide a total amount into a target ratio. Since we're working with a total, we'd add up how many bits we have altogether before dividing to find out the size of each bit. And again, once you have the size of each bit, everything else normally becomes quite easy. So that's all for this one. Thanks for watching. See you next time.